In this video, we're going to continue with what we learned in the video number 1 with file management and organization using Windows Explorer. Again, we have Windows Explorer open right now, and just as a refresher, we see the My Documents folder, and let's just shrink it back down to what a typical view might look like. We have the documents, and we have the plus sign. It shows where there's more under there, so we can expand it. And we're going to go to My Pictures again, and once again, the address bar will tell you where anything is. So in case you have some doubts about your place where you're unsure of where it is, refer to the address bar. That can always tell you where things are. Now in this particular case, I'm going to go down to, and I made a place here, and then I call it Practice. One of the things that we're going to do right now is we're going to rename some files. Now the files, I just picked some files and I gave them another name. Right now I'm just going to give them, now right click on, actually we could double click and it will bring this up and it can be edited. Okay, so now we click right there and we can slide it over, and then we'll rename this one called New File. Alright, now one of the things you must take note of, the file extension must remain the same as it was. That is how the computer sort of knows how or what program is going to actually use to view the file. So right now we're just going to hit the enter key, and now that file has been saved. Now we're also going to rename this old picture. Now, and another way of doing it is right click on that where it says rename. Okay, now it again brings up the same thing, and now I'm going to select that and say new picture. And likewise right here with a Word document. Rename, and I'm just going to change from here to select just that part and say new. Now that's all there is to renaming in a file. Now the renamed file is going to make it easier for you to find things when it's time to go and utilize the Craigslist. And that's the whole purpose of this particular exercise. And for right now, even though I've got plenty of time here, we're going to bring this to an end, and we'll continue later.